What?
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm super hype about today's video because I get to show my type 4 girls that you can get your hair super nice and sleek. You can do that slick back, wet look just like everybody else. I am 4B 4C natural and my hair is currently defined a bit because I did have cornrows in it previously and I did also use a moisturizer. But when my hair is completely dry, you'll see more of the 4C. So I know some of y'all are going to comment in the comment section that she's not 4B 4C. I am. It's just that my hair was previously in cornrows, and so there is a bit of definition. My hair is looser than it was before, though. Deep conditioning has somehow loosened my curl pattern, but we got some 4C in there. So I'm going to show you all how to do this. And with this particular style, because I wanted some length, I'm going to be using my Hergaven hair clip-ins in order to do the wet look. I'm sure many of y'all, if you're new to my channel, you probably thought it was my hair, but no girl, these clip-ins blend so nicely with my hair. This is a Coily texture in length 16, and I'm going to add it to the bottom. I'm going to show you all how to do it. I love clip-ins because it's such a great way to add length quickly, and with these they look so realistic and natural. Another cool thing about this set is that you only need one bundle. This is a Glam full head set, so you can actually do a full head of clip-ins and it look really voluminous, and you're only going to need one set. So I'm going to start by parting my hair off first. I want to do a middle part, but you can, for this particular style, have your hair completely flowing to the back. I've seen individuals do it that way, but I like the middle part better. So now that we have our hair parted down the middle in the front, I'm now going to do ear to ear parting straight across the crown, and the back part is what we're going to tuck away. So this is going to be our leave out, so to speak. When doing any style with my type of natural hair, it's better to work in sections. I feel like you're able to be more effective that way. So I'm just going to take each half in the front and I'm going to do sort of a bantu knot and then clip it using a crocodile clip. And after completing that process, we're going to begin working on the back. Now I want to moisturize the back, and I found that this Softee Naturals, y'all, this has been my staple lately. It's a really thick product, and for type 4 hair, y'all, you know we need really thick moisturizing products, and this is one of those products. I love it so much. So I'm going to begin to work on sectioning my hair into 3 sections, and I'm going to do 3 chunky twists. And what's cool about this particular style is if you want to transition this particular look into a low sleek ponytail, it's going to be super easy to do it after I show you all the completed install. So I'm just going to make 3 chunky twists, and then I'm going to pin that hair up, and then I'll come back on. Now that we've taken care of pinning our hair up in the back, which is going to protect it, so it's kind of like a protective style, we're going to begin to add our clip-ins. Now this is really going to take some spatial reasoning. So you have to kind of play around with which clips or which row to actually use where, because it's about fitting them where they actually work. And with this particular set, although there's 10 pieces that come with it, we're not going to use all the pieces. I think I only used like maybe 4 or 5 of them, because you want it to look realistic. So you don't want to have a whole lot of hair if your hair is not naturally voluminous and dense. My hair is really not that thick, so I only used enough to create a look that was going to look really natural. So once you figured out which piece works for the particular row that you're working on, you're just going to insert the clip, snap it closed, and then you're going to move on to moisturizing the hair. And in just a bit, I'm going to be adding the same product that I used on my chunky twist, which is the Softee Naturals Curl Enhancing Cream, on this particular hair, just to make it more moisturized and also to weigh it down, and that's going to give the hair some hold as well. So I have all of these pieces still left, so if I wanted to do a full head girl, you got enough.
Hey, hey, and I still feel the same. Trying to replicate what we've seen on TV. As the colors fade, I'm still stuck to the screen. So it seems. So it seems. Hey, hey, don't you know what I mean? Don't you know what I mean? No, no, what I mean.
Y'all, this hair is looking so good right now. We're already finished with the back. Now we have to work on our leave out. So I'm gonna show you all how to kill your slick back. So this is what we're working with currently. It's looking dry and crusty, but we're gonna hook it up. I'm gonna be using my favorite product of all times, the Curl Defining Glaze, and this is by Dark and Lovely All Natural. I talk about this product all the time. It is the plug. So I'm gonna spray some water on my hair, then I'm gonna proceed to add that particular product, and I'm gonna add a generous amount. Now this is really gonna help to moisturize the hair and create shine, and it's also gonna keep the hair from being super hard, especially because we're going to be adding a hardcore gel like the Got To Be Glue. Now the Got To Be Glue gel, I'm going to be using the black bottle first, and I like to start with this one and then I go in with the yellow. And I've told you all before, I live in Houston, so it's very humid there, and I want to make sure that my hair is able to combat whatever Houston weather tries to throw my way.
Hey, hey, don't you know what I mean? Don't you know what I mean? No, no, what I mean. Hey, hey, don't you know what I mean? Don't you know what I mean? No, no, what I mean. Don't you know what I mean? No, no, what I mean. Don't you know what I mean? No, no, what I mean. Don't you know what I mean? No, no, what I mean. Don't you know what I mean? No, no, what I mean. Things will never be the same. Let's get back to that place. Things will never be the same. Things will never be the same. Let's get back to that place. Don't you know what I mean? No, no, what I mean. Don't you know what I mean? No, no, what I mean. Don't you know what I mean? No, no, what I mean. Don't you know what I mean? No, no, what I mean.
Y'all see it's coming together. You see those waves? Look, girl, I know you see it. So we're just gonna use our brush to slick everything down. And I am using a boar bristle brush in order to do this, and also a fine tooth comb. It's looking so good, y'all. I wasn't even trying to contain my excitement. I've forgotten what my hair is able to do. I haven't worn my hair out in a bit. So yeah, I was excited. So if you are type 4, don't get misconstrued. We can get our hair to be super slick. And even the 4C girls, like legit 4C, no 4B, I would love to get my hands on your hair because I think I can do your hair and it can look like this. I believe y'all, it can. So I'm just gonna make sure everything is nice and tamed in the back. Now my hair is blending really, really good with this texture, but it's not the same length as the extension. So in order to make sure that it's concealed, I'm just using bobby pins and I'm taking the length of my hair and actually just pulling it taut. And then at the length of the hair, I'm adding some bobby pins just to make sure it's secure, and I'm hiding where my hair actually ends, if that makes sense.
Oh, girl, I wish you would make up your mind. I can tell by the look in your eyes. You're not happy with the man you're standing by. Yeah, I've been watching you and him and him and her with his wandering eyes. He's not worth your time, so come to me. I got what you need, just know I'll make you my only one, girl. I'll hold you close, never let go. I'll be your friend, do all I can. Whisper I love you, I'll hold your hand.
So after letting my hair set while I was doing my makeup, these are the finished results. It looks so amazing.
I'll take care of you, I'll make you smile, look deep in your eyes, I'll ease your mind, kiss you just right, whisper I love you, I'll make you mine, I'll take care of you. It's funny how you came across my path, yeah, I can give you that good loving.
All right, y'all, that's the end of this video. I hope that you found it so helpful. Be sure to share this video with a friend. Check the description box for the link to these clip-ins and also all the products that I use. Like, comment, subscribe. I will see you all in my next video. Bye, y'all.
Worth more than you ever see. Ooh, baby, please just come to me. I got what you need, just know